Welcome to my YouTube channel. Mentang Rasapi ya kaneka khubor kabayadai berka parti VPP. Oi banyi kijai benreu ki bacong bahasa apo jong ni ketla ila i bet ila kershan ha ban Punjab ya MP nak seng VPP. Oi ta ka jing i bet ka jing chane Jong ke jek penriu ke jongi ki badan hapo jong kaneka jela khamtam yang ni ki kasi ki ba ha phaka Shillong pan parliamentary seat ni la Punjab dan buram bat ni la pen tam kuput ya ki wei pat ki parti kaneka jingle ki jongi ba kaneka jingle ki jong ke jek penriu ki jongi kala snodai men ai jiro ba de ni ke kita ki de bendeu ki bala stam kala na kata ka jing sim bisa na kitu ki kandidat na de MP de hak no ka election bat ka jing yaro yang ka jela yang ka jing bendeu ya ka VPP kam dei ke jing yaro tang mangi ibadan hapo yang itla Andre wadla ki wei pat kiri ru kila reacts bat kila yaro bat kila percang ha ka lada dei ka tin ka tli ru kila stang percang bat kamtam ya ka jingrwai VPP kala toba kani ka sing VPP ka compare bhana ki wei pat ki sing sign perthai lana ki sing relom regional party nadu wang shua ka kami appear ba kam dei kum ki wei pat ki party ki bala jan thep lama manta kum ki PDF lana ki kham gitu ka compare ba kaneka VPP manta na ka jingpit ki jonga ngala puson ba lada akum no ka jingpit ki jong phile se ndai ki jingpit ki jonga kane ka sing VPP kaya pher ba but thau shit ba undai bin sitang kane hapo jong ni jela but undai ki ba i ja kane ga VPP ki ba don hapo jong ni jela hare shawai ka jela lani shawai ka riru yala stang bentip ba ka VPP ka dai ka parti ka ba ka political party ka ba khoi bat ka ba suba haka jingelam jong ba arde jawai kariru ya ka terteng ba arden kila tip but ya ka VPP kala tip lut baro wat syakabar jong kariru umdai kum ki wai ki party kane ka sing rilu hadin habut kan sekolah ka sing national party tapi ngalayu iya kata lada dai ni ka like tu kajing yu i ka jonga adon ko katai namar babaro ki i bahaya ka parti VPP namar ba ka ideologi ka jongka kadai kata ka ba yu i jingai ba bat kata ka parti ka ba koi ba klaim penon ka pisah ka election katakin baro ya kwa ya katakin lada country kam syuka bisa pasti kelas tangkela kejela kelas tangkela manusia babam sa kadai jong pai ba tiki ai bit tiki jong pai ba kadai jong ki bam maki katakin ada ki jingroi ki ba piar ki development ro kam dai ki bam put kadai bit trai hok kadai ban poi hok no bayo hok kadai ban ai hok yo ai tak toh mentah na pi ya ka jing yaro ba dia ka jing chat comment jong ni sort of jong ni Amerika udo yong ya ka parti VPP ki weiru ki la yaro ni lele ki baton po nyok ni ka jela le de ni la smoke man bahama ni mla ban thoshu ya ta ni comment balawan nega parti VPP ke parti ke bah parti ke ba adon ke jingkermen ya ka ri bat ke jeng rio tak katai ni sibon sampai dia mereka Jingshat, Jong Amerika, New York, ya kan, jingrwai, job MP Jongka, VPP.
Let's sing, man. Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back, all Meghallian cast people. Congrats once again. Congrats Aupra. Congrats VPP. And congrats to whoever choose the voice of people party. Because I'm pretty sure all who decide to do that, they are so happy, guys. And congrats to the greatest leader by the name Dr. Ricky and the president of VPP, Arden, right? So, congrats for making the Meghallian so happy. I want to know who is happy. Who is happy watching this, guys? Let me know down. Comment out, VPP. Yes, we are happy. You are happy, guys. So I'm reacting to this music video because, as in my previous video, guys, I already predicted that Aupra will win, guys. You know why? Because I reacted to that song and I got a lot of love, a lot of comments, and a lot of subscribers. Like, I came to know that the people, the citizens themselves, they love this party. This is the party they choose. So today, let's celebrate their winning. There is a winning song for VPP, winning MP song for it, guys, by Mommy, Beat Johnny, guys. Kindly subscribe, all Aupra fans, all Meghallian fans who are happy for the new party, guys. Kindly subscribe. It will be shameful if you're supporting Aupra and you are not subscribing to this channel. I'm also supporting, but I'm not from Meghallia, guys. But I love you all. He is from Africa. Let's do it. Yo, let's go. Ole, 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 ole. Ole la ciao, ole la ciao. Ole, 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 ole. Ole la ciao, ole la ciao. Let's sing, man. Go. From the day I saw Aupra, I know Aupra is going to win. No one will know. Yes, Ale. Let's say Ale. Aupra, la marca ya Jong. Aupra, you are the best. No. We know you are the best. VPP la Wei Ri Jong. Yo, Aupra. VPP la Wei. Hey, don't fall down, man. Guys, I don't know Kasi, but I'm trying my best to sing for you, okay? Let's sing it. There is no subtitle, but I can sing Kasi now. I can understand and I can tell you. VPP won. This is a winning song. This is a big win for all Meghallian, guys. Yes, let's wait, guys. We are so waiting for VPP. Oh, Google Shipon. Hey, Papa. Hey, Congrats Meghallian, congrats VPP, congrats Aupra, guys. Yeah, Aupra is very useful. You have to know that, guys. The meaning of Aupra also, like I came to know that it is that thing they use for clearing the rice or flour. In Africa, we do have in every single home, guys. But for now, people start using the modern one. But still, it is there, guys, because our grandparents love to use it, even though there is the modern one. But they love it, guys, because it's so easy to use, and also it doesn't require any power, electricity or power pump. And it is just something natural and beautiful, guys. And our bra we use, I have in my local home, guys. Like honestly, we have our bra in Africa. And congrats once again to VPP for making the great change. And I'm just wishing everything should go well. And as the citizen decide to choose you, this party, I hope they should work for the people because they choose it and they say this is the voice of people party. So I hope everything will work according to the voice of the people themselves, right? Because they are the one who choose that, and I'm pretty sure they are going to make it successfully. Because I listen a lot to the leaders of Meghalaya, especially the president of VPP, that guy, Arden. Yes, guys. I used to think he's the contestant, and before I used to think like he's the one going to be the chief. But anyway, he's the president of VPP, so for sure he's part of the party, guys. And I just love his personality, guys. This guy is really great, man. The way he speaks, the way he addresses people. Like I really see from the way you speak, I'm seeing a big change going to happen in Meghalaya. So may God bless you all, guys. And I know